Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you about an autocad that is very useful when working with the interior design drawing. As you know, when working with the drawings, we often use too many kinds of blocks. And one of my favorite blocks is a block that has a layer mask here. Let me open it. As you can see here, we have the head and a white background color comes along with my head here. This is not really a white color, it's just a kind of mask that helps me to hide the other things underneath it. In using Autocad, we often use these kinds of solutions, or the other thing is we use wipeout. I understand that many people prefer to use wipeout in their Autocad drawing, but there are some problems when we working with the wipeout. So using a background white color is a kind of another solution that we can use. But after that, maybe we want to remove this background color from our block. So how to do it? Normally we often go inside the block and choose the head and then choose the background color, turn to none. That's it. It's very easy, but how about if we have too many blocks that we want to remove background color at the same time? My solution is we will have an autocad that will help us to remove the background color in just 1 second. Firstly, we need to open the lot applications and then choose the autocad that we want to use. We will have it here. Just press lot and then close. And then we can type the name of this autocad. This we have test. That's it. It's very fast and very convenient. I hope that can help you to work with your AutoCAD drawing more effectively. Thank you for your watching. See you later.